Hello, am I visible?
Hello, how are you?
Am I visible?
You are. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you are.
Mm-hmm. Audible?
Yeah. By the way, how are you today? This morning.
This morning is productive. Okay, I'm doing well. I'm feeling energetic. I just had my breakfast, so I feel very energetic now.
But, but it seems that in your hometown the weather must be cloudy, which has been visible to you. Am I right? I
Yeah,
can see.
it's kind of
I can see the
cloudy. Yeah,
behind you.
I think you're right. It is a cloudy, bit cloudy. Yeah, but in the afternoon you're going to find it sunny, but not too much hot, which means that it's moderate. You're going to enjoy a lot today.
That's why I'm asking you about it because I'm noticing that. And which part of India do you live in?
I live in Maharashtra.
You live in Maharashtra.
Mhm.
Oh, I see. I see. And do you use this application every day?
Yes, yes. I have a conversational videos. I mean, I have a conversational channel, okay, where I upload my videos.
Okay, you could have done that. By the way, I talked with you around like 29 days ago. We talked with
No,
each other,
no, no, no.
and you told
I'm a different guy.
no, you are
No.
like you told me that was you love talking from nature of outside of your home, and you said to me you have discovered this application through an Indian girls who loves making videos from this application. Am I
Yeah,
right?
yeah, 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 yeah. You're that guy. Okay.
Yes, you are. So
Maybe
my
you look
guess is
different. Okay, today maybe you look different. That's why I'm
no,
unable to recognize.
no. You could have worst outs me at once, but you didn't care me properly. But I can easily recognize you, and you all converse, which you said to me
Mhm.
during our conversation previously.
Okay. Did I record that conversation for my channel? I
I
don't
don't,
think so. No, no, I think so. I don't think so.
I don't know.
Otherwise, I would have recognized you.
I talked with you on this application. I didn't get you any YouTube channel, and I don't
Mhm.
like watching out any sort of videos
Mhm.
except English podcast.
Yeah, I feel the same way because I also watch and listen to a bunch of podcasts, especially about daily routine, health, hobbies, like simple topic, but the way they express themselves, these topics, which is wonderful, which is up to the mark. And this is how we are going to, level up your communication, evaluate your, journey.
The world is gonna want to accent, such as British and American. So we must need to listening to those podcasts, which will definitely help us
I
to
do the same. I
talking
do the
with
same thing.
others.
I do the same thing. Been a while. It's been a while. Been listening. Okay. Bro, how do you learn English language? I mean, majority of time, do you listen to podcast from native speaker or do you indulge with speaking as well? How often do you do this? And which activity is your major activity?
I'm following both strategies, which are essential and effective for me. Like I love speaking with me more and more.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I have to read some English books, it could be like, for example, an English novel. It doesn't matter for me. It is an English novel,
What's the name
and
of
I
it?
don't know you have the book tip. So whenever I read any book, I like reading books, not only reading on my head, but also reading loudly. A couple of times, not one time. As a result, I can remove my shyness of speaking English, and this will definitely help me. This will definitely build up more confidence about talking with others. Not
Mhm.
only this, I as well have to write in English by speaking by myself loudly, not so loudly
Mhm.
that could make
Okay,
problem
okay.
to
We spoke
others.
about reading a book. Okay, how many books have you read so far?
Although I have bought around 20 books which are English novels, but
Mhm.
I have read six books still now. But
Uh,
I hope so. I will read all of them
mhm.
which are English novels. That's
Have you read? Because currently I'm reading the novel. Okay, the novel name is The Night Wanderer. Have you come across with the book novel?
no,
The
no,
Night
no.
Wanderer. Okay, it's a vampire story. Okay, There is a guy, he's a vampire. Especially, we wander at night only, looking for different places to live. So it's a very beautiful book. And current read is Think and Grow Rich, which is I'm reading right now. Okay, Think and Grow Rich.
Oh, I have read this book earlier, a couple of months ago, almost 6 months ago. I have read this book. It
I
is
have this book
such a
now. No,
wonderful book, an effective book for us, for being self-motivated and to be a wealthier person in our life. That's it.
good. I have this book right now on my table. Let's see how many pages I'm going to read today because I'm a self-motivated guy. I know sometimes you require lots of motivation to push yourself to keep going. Yes or no? And that's what I do. I'm very excited.
Have you ever read The Miracle of Morning novel, which is truthful and very, very effective for us for improving our life?
No, I haven't read it. May I know your qualifications? Because we had a conversation, I think, twice at least. Okay. But I think I never asked you your qualification.
I have graduated in last year in English.
Mm-hmm,
I have got A grades in my bachelor honors degree. Without this, I've been waiting to study in this subject in MBA.
mm-hmm.
Moreover, I've been teaching in this language in an institution which is not so far than my hometown. I just need 15 minutes to arrive there. That's it.
Okay. Could you give me feedback for my English?
You are pretty good at speaking English. What should I give you?
Okay. Anything.
So many thanks for having me as a speaker partner. Our meeting was lovely and very incredible to us.
Mm-hmm.
Please take care of yourself. May God bless you.
Yeah.
Very good morning to you.
Very good morning. Nice day ahead of you. Okay. Bye.
Same to you.